Learn how to make homemade air conditioning using just a few bottles. Air conditioning manufacturers don't want you to know this. To begin, we will use a plastic bottle. Using a marker, we will mark the part of the bottle that has a funnel shape. Then, with scissors, we will cut the part that we had marked. The next thing we will need are two flexible siphon hoses, which are normally used for hand washing drains and washing machines. We will put the piece of bottle inside one of the ends of the siphon, and then we will tie it with tape, as shown on the screen. Next, we will take a roll of nylon thread, and taking a small amount, we will pass through the holes that are in the corners of the funnel of the bottle, and we will make a knot in the two holes. You will have to repeat these same steps with a second bottle. The next thing we will use is an icopore box. In many countries, it is also known as a dry ice box or foam box. Now, with the help of a cutter, we will make two holes in each corner of the box so that it is large enough for the siphons to fit. Next, we will use a conventional fan. We take both siphons and tie them at the end of the fan, one in front and one behind the grill, as shown on the screen. Then we open the siphon box and we will put some bottles with frozen or cold water inside. The more frozen it is, the more effective it will be. After covering, we will put the fan with the siphons on top, and we will proceed to place each end of the siphons in the corners where we had made the holes previously. Now your home-conditioned air is ready to work. When turning on the fan, the hot air will pass through the tubes containing the ice, cooling down in the process and returning as fresh air.